graphing. So now we're gonna learn about the voltage and the current for chapter 2. The first of all, we're gonna learn about the Bohr, maybe other model for which is to explain the atomic structures. So they consist of the neutron, the protons in the nucleus. The neutron is like no charge, neutral. The protons is the positively charged. Electron is negatively charged. Okay, and especially the electrons in concentric orbitals called shells or the orbit. Okay, maybe or the orbit. Okay, so that was nucleus. That is from the concentric, the orbit K, L, M orbit. From the center to the far away, that was increasing orbital energy. Okay, write this one. The increasing the orbiter, the energy. Okay, so for example, the Cooper CO, this is the nucleus, and fourth shell is the K2. That is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe electrons. And the last one is the 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 electrons. The last one is the 1 because that was 29, the table number. Okay. So what is the electric charge? That is very important. Okay. Electric charge. There was sometime Q or sometime small q. That was the moving charge. You're gonna using that the small letter. Okay. But the unit is the coulombs. All right. So the electrical charge generated electrical field to move something. Okay. And that was two types of electrical charge. One is the positive charge, the other one negative charge. Okay. So again, electric charge is measured with the unit of coulombs. So the coulombs, for example, one coulomb is 6.242, 10, 10 to maybe 18. Okay. The electrons. One coulomb is 6.242 times 10 times the 18. Okay. So voltage. The voltage is V. That was the force is required to make electricity flow. Flow through a conductor. Okay. So, and also they could be defined as the potential between two the points. Okay. the potential between the 2 points. That is also the define for the voltage. So that is the what designated sometimes E, sometimes V, okay? But the usually supply, you're gonna use the letter E. And sometime in the DC circuit, voltage drop for each register, you're gonna write this letter is like V. And it can things start as the following: V omega W joule divided the charge, electrical charge, okay? That is unit volts. This is joule, the energy, and Q, charge is the coulombs units, okay? So 1 volts mean this is also, we can definition a total of 1 joule, the energy is used to move negative charge, that is electrons, of 1 coulomb. Okay, so there is a difference of 1 voltage between 2 points. Okay, that is also voltage definitions for this one. Okay. So how about the current? The current is really simple. It's like flow of electro charge. Okay, that was Q. Okay. So there is more in detail the descriptions, the flow of free the electrons in a material from one atom to the next atom in the same direction is referred to the current. Okay, the symbol is I. Okay, the unit is amps, sometime the A. Okay, so that was also the formula. I is the charge divided the time. That is usually a second. That is the coulomb. Okay, that is amps. That is for the formula for I here. Okay, that is very important. And third, we're gonna learn about the battery or supply DC voltage, right? So right there, the one of the symbol like this one, the long line was plus, small line is minus. Okay, this is a symbol for the DC voltage sources. Now we're gonna really simple DC circuit. All right, so 2, that is E. This is the battery, DC power supply. So conventional the current like this one. Okay, but the electrons from minus to the plus. So for this case, this is plus minus. So the current is flow of electric charge, the flow from the high potential to the low potential. So like this, plus, minus, plus, minus. Just the water force, okay? Just the water force. The high and low, okay? That is a voltage, the potential two different. So plus minus, plus minus. So that was V sub R sub 1 voltage drop here. This is also voltage drop here. So the E is the equal to voltage drop from the R sub 1 register plus R sub 2, the 2 point on R sub 2 here, okay? 2 voltage drop here. Here we're gonna learn about the ampere hour rating. That was the indicated how long the battery, the life here, okay? How long battery fixed voltage will be able to supply particular the current, okay? That was indication of how long a battery of fixed voltage will be able to supply a particular the current, okay? All right. So that was the formula. Live is AH rating, the ampere, the hour rating, the divided the ampere, okay? So that is for the formula, okay? We have to practice the homework or the quiz. So yeah, insulator, conductor, semiconductor here. Yeah, so that is very important. And let's say one more concept we have to know. Let's say 4 is ammeter and voltmeter. So the maybe ammeter is the device for to measure the current. So a path in the circuit must be broken in order for the current to flow through the ammeter and to measure. So like this one, this is the circuit, for example, okay? Like this one. This is E voltage supply. This is R, the resistor, the circuit, very simple circuit. So if we wanted to measure, this is minus, this is plus, and that was for, this is the DMM, digital multimeter, that was plus, that was minus, okay? They can, the voltage measure the possible, okay? But if we wanted to the measure for the current, we might be the broken, for example, like this one, and the red line plus the black line from the DMM here. Finally, we can get the DMM for the ammeter to measure the current, okay? All right. So they can make to measurement the current, because the current plus minus the current like this one. Okay. So this is why that is very important. Okay. All right. That is the end. It's really, really concept. And please go back to slides and practice a lot of the sample exam. If you have any questions, let me know.